Industrial ceramics are reshaping modern manufacturing with revolutionary qualities. In 2025, this material will become the core material for high-end fields such as aerospace, electronics, and metallurgy with its ultra-high hardness, excellent heat resistance, and outstanding chemical stability. It not only greatly extends the life of equipment, but is also capable of handling extreme environments, from ultra-high pressure grinding to high-temperature operations at 1,500 degrees Celsius, from strong acid and alkali environments to precision electronic insulation. Industrial ceramics have demonstrated irreplaceable advantages. Its lightweight characteristics have also brought new breakthroughs in energy conservation and emission reduction, and are promoting the upgrading of multiple strategic industries including new energy and semiconductors. As an all-round player in modern industry, industrial ceramics continue to break through the limits of materials and provide key support for intelligent manufacturing and sustainable development.